Morning everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 9.5 question number 2. This is your first part, x plus 3, x plus 7. In this we are going to use the fourth identity, that is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a. Now let's compare this identity with the question. Value of x is x, value of a is 3, value of b is 7. So let's find the answer. The value of x is same, that is x. The value of a is 3, value of b is 7, value of x is x, and a is 3 into b is 7. So now solve this. This is x square plus 10x plus 21. This can't be solved further because these are unlike terms. So this is your answer. Next, second part, this is 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Now let's compare this. This is again x plus a, this is x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. The value of x is 4x, value of a is 5, value of b is 1. Now let's put the value. This is x square, value of a is 5, value of b is 1. Here the value of x is 4x, a is 5, b is 1, x is 4x, and in this we are having value of 5 and this is 1. Now solve this. You will get 16x square plus, this will be 6 into 4x plus 5. Now solve this. 16x square, this is 24x and this is 1. Now this can't be solved further, so this is your answer. Now let's start the third part. Compare this third part with the identity. In the identity we are having positive sign, but in the question we are having negative sign. And this identity is for only positive sign. So let's change this negative sign to positive first. This is 4x. Put here positive sign and take this minus 5 in the bracket. Now the question has changed to positive, and in this step also 4x plus minus 1 that you will write in the bracket. Now the value of a, x is 4x, value of a is minus 5, value of b is minus 1. We have done this step because we have identity only for positive. That's why we have changed this identity to positive. Now put the value here. Value of x is 4x, value of a is minus 5, value of b is minus 1, close the bracket. Value of x is 4x, value of a is minus 5 and value of b is minus 1. Now let's solve this. This will give you 16x square plus, this is minus 5 minus 1, or you can write direct answer, that is minus 6. This is minus minus plus, 5 ones are 5. 16x square, this is minus 6 into 4x plus 5, 16x square minus 24x plus 5. This can't be solved further because all these are unlike terms. So this is your answer. Now let's start the next part, that is sixth part. Now start the question. Compare this question with the identity. The value of x is 2a square. If you want to write a value of x is 2a square. A is equal to 9 and b is equal to 5. Value of x is 2a square. Value of a is 9. Value of b is 5. Now put the value in the right hand side. Value of x as 2a square. I have written the value of x. Now this square will be put as it is. Value of a is 9, b is 5, x is 2a square, A 9 and B 5. Instead of this, if you want to put the bracket, you can make the square of this. This is 4a raised to power 4. This is 14 2a square plus 45. Now solve this. 28a square plus 45. All these are unlike terms, so this is your answer. Now start question number 4. This is the first part, a square minus b square whole square. You have to simplify it. Now let's compare this with the identity. This is your a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Value of a is a square, value of b is b square. Now put the values of a and b in the right hand side. Value of a as a square and this square will be kept same. Value of b is b square and this square will be same. Value of a is a square and b is b square. Now solve this. This will give you a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square. All these are unlike terms, so it can't be solved further. So this is your answer. Now in this step, the degree of the expression is 4 because in this we have maximum power 4, in this term we have maximum power 4, in this we have maximum power 2 plus 2 4. So degree of this expression is 4 here. Now start second part of the fourth question. This question can be solved by two ways. The first way we are discussing, first method is, in the first method you can solve this first term 2x plus 5 whole square separately by using the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2a. In this, value of a is 2x, value of b is 5. So let's put the value of a and b in this right hand side. This is 2x whole square, this is 5 square, and in this we have 2x and this is 5. Now solve this. This will give you 4x square plus 25 plus 20x. Now solve the second term, that is 2x minus 5 whole square by using the second identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2a. Now value of a is 2x, value of b is 5. So put the values here in the right hand side. This is 2x square plus 5 square minus 2 into 2x into 5. This will give you 4x square plus 25 minus 20x. Now put these two values in the question. Now give this number 1, put this is number 2, this is number 3, put 2 and 3 in 1, put 2 and 3 in 1. The value of this term is 4x square plus 25 plus 20x. The value of this first term I have written same, minus 4x square plus 25 minus 20x. I have written the values of second and third in the first term. Now open the bracket. As you can see that in both between the two bracket we are having minus sign. So let's open the bracket and change the sign, because whenever negative sign is there in between, the sign of the second term will be changed. This is 4x square, this is minus 25, this is 20x. 4x square and minus 4x square will cancel out. Plus 25 and minus 25 will cancel out. This will give you 20x plus 20x, that is 40x. Both these are like terms, so that's why we have add them and got the answer as 40x. Now let's start with the second method of this question. Second method we are discussing. In the second method we are using the third identity, that is a square minus b square. equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is your a square, this is your b square. So let's put the value directly in the right hand side. The value of a, b you will write here. So I'm writing the right hand side. Value of a is 2x plus 5. Value of b is 2x minus 5. And in between we are having plus. In the second bracket, let's write the value of a 2x plus 5. Value of b as 2x minus 5 and close the bracket. Now open the bracket and change the sign wherever required. So let's change sign of this term because here we are having negative sign. So sign will change. Minus 2x plus 5. In the first bracket we are having plus 5 and minus 5. They will cancel out. So I will write here 2x plus 2x will be 4x. In the next bracket minus 2x plus 2x will cancel out. We are left with 5 plus 5, that is 10. Now bracket means they are getting multiplied. So let's multiply them and the answer is 48. As you can clearly see that in both the method first and the second we are getting the same answer. So whichsoever method you will feel comfortable, you can go with that method. Now question number 4, sixth part we are starting with. As you can see that in this question we are having two terms. So let's solve the first term separately. I am solving this term AB plus BC whole square. This is same as A plus B whole square, that is your first identity, A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now put the value of A as AB, B as BC. Value of A is AB, value of B is BC. In this also A as AB and B as BC. Now open the square. This will give you A square B square. This is B square C square and this will give you A B square C. B and B power 1, base are same, power will be added. So we have got the answer of the first term as this. Now let's put this second part in the first term. Put 2 in 1. Put the value of AB plus BC whole square, that is as right hand side in the first part. The value of this term is A square, B square, this is B square C square, this is A 2A B square C. And this last term, second term, 2AB square C will be written same. The value of this term I have put this and second term will be kept same. Now open the bracket. This is plus, this is minus, both will cancel out because they are like term and sign are different. So that's why I have cancelled out. So we are left with A square B square and B square C square. Both are unlike terms, so this is your answer. Okay, now let's start with question number 5. First part I have written. You have to show that whether these two sides, left hand side and right hand side, are equal or not. So let's solve the left hand side and right hand side separately. So left hand side I am writing 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. This is your, either you can solve this term directly here in the question or you can solve this term separately if you want. So I am writing here separately. This is your A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now the value of A is 3x, value of B is 7. So let's put the value here. 3x, value of B is 7, 2A into B. Now this will give you 9x square, this is 49 and this will give you 42x. Now let's put this value of 3x plus 7 whole square in the question in the left hand side. This is 9x square plus 49 plus 42x minus 84x. Now, in this term you can easily see that both of these are like term. So let's solve this plus minus minus, and sign will be of the greatest term, that is 42x, sign will be of negative. So this is your left hand side. Let's start with the right hand side. This is 3x minus 7 whole square. This is your a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2a. Now, value of a is 3x, value of b is 7. This is 3x whole square plus 7 square minus 2a into b. This will give you 9x square plus 49 and minus 42. As you can see that answer of left hand side and right hand side both are same. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Now let's start the third part. In this we want to check whether both sides are equal or not. Now let's start with the left hand side. This is 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn. This is your a minus b whole square. So I am going to write the identity first. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2a. This is your a, this is your b. A square plus b square minus 2a into b, and this last term, that is 2mn, will be written same because it is a part of the question. And at the place of this we have used the identity a minus b whole square. This is a square plus b square minus 2a. Now let's solve this. This will give you 16 by 9 m square, 9 by 16 n square. 3 will cancel out, 4 will cancel out. We are left with 2mn plus 2mn, which is same. Now both the terms are same with different sign. So let's cancel out the term. We are left with 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. So this is your left hand side. Now let's start with the right hand side. That is 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 m square. As you can see that left hand side and right hand side are exactly same. So hence verified. Okay students, see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.